Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add custom field in billing form in checkout page using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page and we are going to add custom field in checkout page using custom code. So this is our billing form. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find all code in video description or in comment section. Now you see code. So by using this code, first we are going to add new custom field and we will add more code for validation for this checkout field. Also we will add more code to display data in order section and also in email. So by using this code, we are going to create custom field. Now you see hook position, WooCommerce after checkout billing form. So we are going to display custom field in billing form. So this is our function name. Now you see engine underscore number. So we are going to add field custom car engine number and this is placeholder, and then you see engine underscore number we are using. Now here you see WooCommerce form field. So you can add text according to your requirement and you can add label text according to your requirement. Now you see saved underscore engine underscore number and we are using same text. So this is our name attribute engine underscore number. So we are using in further code to get or post data. Now you see also you see current user engine underscore number. So these three terms will be same. Now we are going to add validation code for our custom field custom car engine number. Now paste. You will find all code in video description or in comment section. So this is our validation code. Now you see error message, please enter your car engine number. So you can customize this message according to your requirement. And then you see post engine underscore number. When we highlight this, now you see, so you can use same text. Now we are going to add code for to save data in order form, email and other section. Now paste and you will find this all code in video description or in comment section. Now you see save and show new field in WooCommerce thank you page, order page and email. Now you see post engine underscore number. When we highlight this section, you see other section also highlighted. So you can add same name. Now you see add action WooCommerce checkout update order meta, save new checkout field, and then you see WooCommerce thank you section engine underscore number, and then you see text custom car engine number. Also you see engine underscore number, and then you see WooCommerce admin order data after billing address. Now you see engine underscore number, and then you see custom text also. So you can add same text for engine underscore number. When we highlight you see, and then you see WooCommerce email after order table. So by using this code we are going to display engine number in email. Now you see guest post meta engine number, and then you see text custom engine number car. So by using this data we are going to save and show data in order thank you page, emails, and you will find all code in video description or in comment section. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now we are in billing form and scroll down, you see all detail, and then you see custom car engine number and this is placeholder. So when we click on continue, now you see message not all fields have been filled correctly. Scroll down. Now you see message please enter correct detail for required field. So we filled all field but custom car engine number not filled. So show error. So we are going to add some data 1 2 and then click on continue. Again click on continue. Now select payment method. Now enable this and then click on place order. Now you see thank you, your order has been received, and then we are in thank you page. Now you see custom car engine number 123. Now back to dashboard. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see order. So open it. So this is our order. Now scroll down. This is our order 35 seconds ago. So open it. Now we are in order page and scroll down. Now you see custom car engine number. Now go to email to check. Now you see email, thank you for your order, and then you see custom car engine number. So this is email received by user. Now go to admin order email. So this is our admin order email, new order. You have received the following order from Hasan. Now scroll down. You see custom car engine number. So by using custom code, we are going to create custom new field that show in billing form, also data show in order page, thank you page, and also in email, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.